Hey guys, it's Melissa here with Rooted Home and Garden. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful ground cover called Ajuga, specifically Mahogany Ajuga. This beautiful perennial is hardy from zones 4 to 9 and they do so well in the garden. You can plant this anywhere between full sun to shade, but we do recommend afternoon shade. It grows 4 to 6 inches tall and 10 to 12 inches wide. This is great for containers, borders, even lawn substitutes. This gets beautiful striking blue blooms that blooms from late spring to early summer. You do want to plant this in moist, well-drained soil, but don't worry, you can cut down on the water a little bit once it's established. You just have to fertilize it once in the spring and you are set for the year. Now there are a couple of bugs that do like this plant a lot. We have the root knot nematodes. It's a parasitic roundworm that lives in the soil and likes to eat the roots of it and kills the plant. Slugs and snails also like to hide in this area and eat the foliage, as well as aphids sometimes. So you do have to pay attention to this plant a little bit, but it's so well worth it. It can get a fungus called crown rot. Now that's a fungal disease that where if it just gets too wet, it's gonna get affected by this. Now this can be affected by a fungal disease called crown rot. Just pay attention to those signs and see if you notice the leaves starting to turn yellow and not looking very healthy. Don't worry though, deer, rabbits, squirrels, they don't really like this stuff, so they're going to stay away from it, so therefore you're good to go with that. I absolutely love the blue spike flowers that grow out of this. It is so beautiful, especially with its glossy green leaves that turn a deep mahogany color as it matures. This is a great ground cover to plant. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. See you next time.